Looking for a sleek MagSafe car mount to charge your iPhone fast in the car? Let's check out this one from Sindox today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox the Sindox MagSafe car mount and see if it's the one I'll be using to mount and charge my iPhone quickly in my car. The car mount comes in this simple white square box. It can fast charge the iPhone 12 or 13 up to 15 watts, which is great. Not all the chargers can do that. Inside the box, there's a warranty card and a small manual. The car mount, of course. And underneath this plastic cover, a white USB-A to USB-C cable. The first thing I noticed when I pick up this car mount is the quality is very good. It's mostly in brushed metal, very solid with good weight. The chunk in the back that mounts into the car air vent is covered in black silicone for better grip. There's a ball joint that's tight but smooth to rotate and adjust. Should be able to hold its shape with the phone attached. We'll see later when I try it out in the car. On the side, there's a USB-C port for the charging cable and a little indicator light for status. The charging pad has a hard, smooth surface with the Sindox logo printed in the middle. It measures about 2¼ inches in diameter, the size of the MagSafe charger. It'd be even better if the surface is padded a little bit. Sindox recommends using the car mount with a Sindox MagSafe case, which I have here. I'll do a separate review on these Sindox MagSafe cases soon. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more tech accessory reviews. The car mount holds the phone with the Sindox MagSafe case very well. This combination holds the phone tight and secure. The Apple MagSafe cases also work well too. Even though Sindox says it'll only hold iPhone 12 and 12 Pro without a case, which it does nicely. I found it actually holds my iPhone 13 Pro Max without a case. It's not as strong of a hold, but it works. And as expected, it won't work with a case that's not MagSafe. Let's see how this car mount works in my BMW X3. Okay, it goes on the car vent and stays on. Let's try it with my iPhone 13 Pro Max in the Sindox MagSafe case. Goes on easily and starts charging just like that. The phone can be in the portrait mode or the landscape mode. Or any other angle really. By the way, most cars' USB ports do not have enough wattage and current to support fast charging yet. To get fast charging, pair this car mount with a high wattage car charger like this 45-watt charger from Sindox. I'll link to a review video of this charger here and in the description. For $35 US, the Sindox car mount works well and looks clean and sleek. It holds my iPhone securely and charges it quickly, just how I want it. This car mount will be the one we use in our cars going forward. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your friends. What car mount are you using in your car? I'd love to know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.